If it were in some of the touristy neighborhoods like El Poblado or Laureles, you could triple that price, if not quadruple that price per square meter. That's why this is such a great deal. In today's video, we're gonna go over an apartment in Envigado. Envigado is the city south of Medellin, and it's dubbed one of the safest areas in the entire valley. You're gonna wanna stick until the end of the video where I go over the price on this one. All right, as we open the door on this one, we see the living room. We also see a little balcony back there, but looks can be deceiving. That balcony looks small right there, but we'll get to it here in a minute. As you can see, the floors are done pretty well as well. And this is a 6-year-old apartment, so everything's kind of new. You can see in the kitchen here that they've got an American style bar where you can put bar stools. You have the kitchen that is pretty new. You could see that the stovetop is new, and also the oven is new. The fixtures are very nice, and I didn't see any scratches on this thing. I thought maybe because it's 6 years old that there would be some wear and tear, but nothing. They did a great job. Double sink in that kitchen as well. As we walk towards this patio area, right here on the left, you've got the laundry room where you can have a stackable washer dryer. It also has a faucet right next door to wash like mops, etc. right there, and some storage. And then once you open this door into the patio, this is a secondary patio, by the way. A lot of Colombians don't have a dryer. They hang dry their clothes. That's why you see that clothes rack on the top right there. But the beautiful thing about this apartment is that it's a 4th floor, and this is the view. And this is just the patio here. It is amazing. There's a cap mesh there, but obviously you could take that down. Okay, walking back towards the kitchen, you can tell that the kitchen has different floors than the rest of the apartment, but I think they did it really tastefully. There's no need to tear them up and put your own floors in there. Okay, so as we're walking back towards this balcony here, as you can see here, it goes all the way back into the rest of the apartment over there. And the view, again, I can only imagine what it's like in the morning, you know, having your coffee and overlooking like this. It's pretty amazing. All right, so we're going back into the apartment, into the hallway. As we go into the hallway, the first thing that we see on the left-hand side here is the shared bathroom, or the common area bathroom, which is a half bath. As you can see, the fixtures and the sink and the toilet are really nicely done. They're pretty much new. There's nothing that you need to do to replace here, unless if you wanted to upgrade, which is completely fine. But if you left it the way it is, I mean, I would gladly live in it or rent that. Next, you see this office area. I dubbed it the office area because that's what I would put there, but it's an open area right there. And then we turn around and we go into the first bedroom. Remember, this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath apartment. It's 88 square meters, and you could easily fit a queen size or even a king size bed here. The beautiful thing about both of these rooms is that they both have in-suite bathrooms and walk-in closets. This is the bathroom in this one. And as you can see, it's very tastefully done. There's no need to upgrade or tear up anything here. It's already done for you. Turnkey apartment. I love that bathroom. Very accessible, very spacious, and here's the walk-in closet for that one. And again, this is the second bedroom. This is nice. For being a 6-year-old apartment, and the square meters being only 88 square meters, they did a great job with the layout. It makes it look a lot bigger than just 88 square meters. And this is the access to that patio, which is connected to the living room. Again, there's the view. Love it. Okay, so we're walking back out into the hallway. And before going into the master bedroom, you see this linen closet here for more storage. A lot of storage area there. As we turn into the master bedroom, you can see that you could easily fit a king-size bed or a queen-size bed. Here, as I turn around, you can see that the in-suite bathroom and the walk-in closet on this one is bigger than the other one. Here I'm walking towards the bathroom, and again, it's similar to the other 2 bathrooms, so the consistency is great. This one, the shower is bigger. They've got that rain waterfall shower head there. And here is the walk-in closet. A lot of space in this one. Okay, we're walking towards its own balcony. This is the balcony for the master bedroom. Again, I can't imagine what this looks like at night or even in the early morning, and maybe having your coffee out here overlooking the city and then just enjoying life. This would be a great place to live in. Okay, so this is the first floor coming out of the elevator. The first thing that you see is this common area room where it doubles as like a room you can reserve for parties or get-togethers, or you could just come down there to work. It's kind of like a co-working space as well. All right, as we round this corner over here, we're going into the kids' play area. And this is a pretty big play area compared to some of the other apartments that I've seen, especially if they're newer, it's smaller. And this one has a soccer pitch. I can only imagine what it's like on the weekends here. It's probably full of kids, very family friendly, probably even adults. Just a beautiful area. And this is my favorite part, the gym. I wouldn't need a gym membership if I had this the first floor, but it's a pretty complete gym. It's even got its own lounge area here overlooking some of the greenery there. And they do have classes and stuff like that on the weekends for people and the evenings. And they have a little spa in there as well. You can reserve to get a massage, get your nails done, hair done, etc. This is the little market that they have downstairs in case you don't want to go to the store and you just need something real quick. Going up these little stairs, you've got a game room, which has table tennis, and it's got a pool table, which is also a plus. Imagine if you worked from home and you had access to this. This was like on a Friday that I did this walkthrough in the day. So you could tell that this is just all Colombian families. They probably work during the day. So this is all open. And this is the amazing part. They've got a squash court right there on the first floor. They also have a Turkish bath and a sauna. This is the Turkish bath here. Again, it's not being used. It's just open to anybody. So if I lived here, I'd be taking advantage of this every single day. Going to the gym, going to the Turkish bath or the sauna, taking a dip in the pool, which we're going to check out after this. This is the sauna here. Okay, as we turn around, you see this bathroom area for people to change at. They even have a shower in there. And we head back out. Look at that landscape on this one. This is amazing. They keep it up really well. And that's the pool. It's got a jacuzzi and a pool. And that's the beautiful thing about Colombian apartments like this one. They keep it so clean, so nice. I don't expect this apartment to be on the market very long, but if you do want to make an offer, make sure to fill out our form. The link is in the description. It's also in the pinned comment. Let's check out the surrounding area on this one. This one's located in the city adjacent to Medellin to the south called Envigado, but the beautiful thing about this apartment is that it is located on the border of both cities. So you're very close to all of the nightlife and restaurants in Medellin. It's about a 14-minute drive with no traffic. With traffic, it could be up to 30 minutes. So what do you have in this area? It's a lot of residences. So you're not gonna get a ton of noise here. It's more just family-friendly, quiet neighborhoods. But you do have a few things nearby. For example, you've got the Smart Fit right here, which is a gym. You've got a mall called Avignon right here with a lot of different shops and places to eat. You also have Super Bowling, a bowling alley that's brand new with a lot of cool stuff inside. It's got a restaurant, it's got a bar, beautiful decor, great place to take family, friends, even a date. And my favorite part of Envigado is just right down the street right here, La Buena Mesa, which is where all of the restaurants are. As you can see, if you zoom in here, they all pop up. You've got some bars there, great place to go even during the day. And of course, Envigado is one of the safest areas in all of the valley, so you definitely enjoy living here. All right, let's talk numbers. This one is listed at 750 million Colombian pesos. That comes out to be about 195,000 US dollars. It's 88 square meters, and that doesn't include the patio and balcony. That adds 16 square meters to it. The price per square meter comes out to be $2,200, just about. If you know anything about real estate in Colombia and in Medellin, you know that this type of unit that's only 6 years old, if it were in some of the touristy neighborhoods like El Poblado or Laureles, you could triple that price, if not quadruple that price per square meter. That's why this is such a great deal. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to keep looking at some beautiful apartments, make sure to check out this video right here.